My name is Chris Ritchie. My position on this project is engineering geologist. At the moment, we're currently working on the geotechnical investigation for the power plant site. We use three specific types of investigation techniques to explore the ground. The one you see behind is a borehole drilling rig. The drilling is undertaken by a contractor to the DGDC called Jacka and Sierra. The borehole drilling rig behind me advances a drilling bit, which basically cores over the rock and then collects a sample within the barrel. The barrel is then extracted from the ground and the core is released for the engineer to log the materials, the strength, the composition, and in turn its foundation properties and its earthworks properties. The second type of investigation type we do is it's called a test pit. The test pit is essentially a trial excavation. So we use a large digger, 30 ton in this case, to excavate a hole in the ground to simulate what would be happening during construction. We then observe the excavation, how it's behaving, and take samples to send to a laboratory to characterize, again, the strength, the compaction, and any other earthworks properties required for construction of the plant. So the third type of test we do at the site is the dynamic cone penetrometer test, or the DCP. So the DCP test is essentially a probe that is hammered into the ground using a fixed weight. The number of blows it takes to advance the cone a certain distance creates a strength profile of the ground. This strength profile can be then correlated to engineering parameters for design. So the geotechnical investigation is an important piece in the planning and procurement of the plant. What it's essentially used for is for the contractor to be able to accurately price and manage and plan the earthworks and design the foundations prior to construction. It's really about risk profiling the ground, identifying ground-related risks and best managing them. After the testing is complete at the power plant, I'll be handing over to Dalton Alwa, who is a project mechanical engineer at the Dominica Geothermal Development Company. He's been working with me on the power plant site, observing the testing, observing all the types of investigations and the properties we're looking for. So I'll leave it in his capable hands to manage and check quality and make sure the health and safety of the project is continued throughout my departure.
Having obtained a master's degree in geothermal energy, it's a great feeling that I can return and contribute to such an innovative project. A Dominican helping Dominica on our journey to clean, green energy.